It's Jeff again. It's a little after 5, just left work. There's not a soul on any road. Well, there probably is up here, but if anything happens thrilling on the way home, I'll be sure to whip out my camera and film it for all you freaky little viewers. Roads are pretty good. Then again, I have all-wheel drive and it's really not an issue, so coming by the Poughkeepsie Galleria and Route 9 should be clear. Jeff out. Be good. Whoops. Sorry. I'm trying to drive with my knee. But so far so good. Hey, guy just passed me. Son of a... Anyway, this is what the road looks like. I'm normally at 5 o'clock at this hour on a Friday. On a Friday would be pretty much jam-packed with traffic. And as you can see, there ain't much going on. Some plows. And it's really not a bad storm, and it's supposed to get worse in another hour or so and snow for like 12 hours maybe, but it's really not a lot to worry about right now. Alright, I'll continue home. Well, nothing happened. Very disappointing, but it was a easy ride home. I did about 35 the whole way. I don't know why, but so this is what it looks like at 5:16, and today is February 8th, 2013. Oh, look, you can see the walkway. Wow. I just passed the MHB and I couldn't even see it. There's Protein Park over there, and we're heading up on my exit. So, looks like another safe passage. Happy Friday. Enjoy the blizzard. Be safe. Have a good weekend. Jeff out.